Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRPO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing each or 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Price action all over the place on this one today, and well above average volume. I mean, you look down here and you can see that it's not even close compared to past days. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance. First level of support to keep an eye on going into tomorrow is where the bleeding finally stopped here on this pullback, and that was right here at the 44-cent mark. You can see late this afternoon on several different occasions, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls were able to hold strong, and apparently there's plenty of buyers there for the time being that do find good value at 44 cents. Now, does that mean that there's guaranteed to be buyers there that find good value tomorrow? There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but as it stands right now, and according to the story that's being told, yeah, people are willing to buy at 44 cents because on multiple occasions the price was down there and it did do a good job of holding strong. Now, in the event people decide, nah, that's not a value anymore, and not enough people buy there, aka the level of support is broken. Next key level to keep an eye on from a support standpoint would be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so I'm not going to assign a numerical value with it, because as time goes by tomorrow, that line is going to move itself higher, and with that, the value will change. So I'm not going to assign, like I said, numerical value for that reason, but just understand that in the event 44 cents does not hold, the next level of support would be that purple line, the 50-period moving average. Now, what happens if this final 30 minutes here, which was a good solid green candle, so if this bounce continues, where are some potential battlegrounds and resistance levels tomorrow? First level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be this former area of support, and that sits right there around 51 cents. If the bulls can push through there, the next level of resistance to keep an eye on, right up there at 58. And then, yeah, there's ones beyond that, but, a couple hurdles at a time, and those first key hurdles are getting up above 51 and 58. And also, the other key, not really a hurdle, but the thing to remember is, this pullback here needs to kind of solidify itself and chip away and build an official new low. So we'll see if that 44 cents mark turns out to be the true level of support or not. But yeah, a lot of eyeballs on this one. We'll see how it plays out tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.